Meanwhile, in stately Wayne Manor...
Happy Saturday. I hope your weekend is off to a good start. Another progress report video for the 1966 Batmobile is coming at you today on BrickScale Studio. Welcome back to BrickScale Studio. My name is Jeff. Thank you so much for joining me. So today we end another 4-episode cycle with a progress report. So if you missed any of the last month's videos, this will get you caught up so you're ready to go next Saturday when we start another new round of build videos. So let's look at the recap footage and then we can talk about it after. All right, so let's recap what we have done. Hopefully I can get both of these on camera here. Here we go. Without banging into the camera. Okay, so for the Lego side, we finally installed this piece, looking very sharp. We also got wheels on the Lego version, and then over on the scale model version, we installed this rear window, which we, again, were missing and had to skip ahead, but now we're all caught up. So that will do it for episode 49. All right, so let's recap what we have done. On the Lego side, we added this front trim elements here, very cool. And then we started working on the back with the rear license plate and the start of the turbine. And then over on the scale model side, we put in our first door. So we have the driver's side door right here. Very cool. So that will do it for episode 50. All right, so to recap, over on the Lego side, we put this turbine on and we put this piece of trim. And then on the scale model side, we started on the passenger side door. So we got the upper and lower hinge, and then we got this side piece, and of course we got the door handle. So that will do it for episode 51. All right, so let's recap what we've done. On the Lego side, we installed this trim piece under here. But the big news is on the scale model, we attached the passenger side door. So we have both the driver's side and passenger side door on the scale model. So we still have yet to tackle, which you probably can't see because this thing is so long. We have the back of the car up to the doors, and so we still have this whole front section that we need to add for the scale model. That will do it for episode 52. That's where we are after another 4 build episodes. Let's do our summary really quick. So total to date, we have completed 449 steps and 562 parts on the scale model side, and 737 steps and 1,797 parts on the Lego side. All right, so I do think that this was a great sort of ending to the this last sort of 4-episode cycle where we got both of the doors installed and we're in a good place to move forward with the body of the scale model. I think that's coming up in the next episode. I have set aside for the next episode issue 106, which is a very big box with a large piece of metal in it. So I'm guessing that that's going to be the front part of the body with the headlights and that kind of the front fenders. So we shall see. And then again, like, you know, I keep saying on the Lego side, we're sort of prolonging that one artificially because, yeah, we're going to finish it way before the scale model. So I'm kind of looking for ways to sort of add more steps or not do as much per episode to kind of drag it out a little bit longer, but we're still going to finish way sooner, which no big deal. I mean, it is what it is. We'll just continue on with the scale model until we're done. Stay tuned. In a couple of weeks, we'll be doing another Batman-related video, a Lego set, the Gotham City skyline. It's from the animated Batman series. I believe it's retired now, but it's a pretty good looking set, about 4,000 plus pieces. So I'm looking forward to that. It's been in my backlog for a while, so we're going to be cracking that set open and getting that going, I think around April 14th or so. Sometime in the middle of April, that video will come out. And then, of course, on Thursdays, we have our Titanic build, which is coming along very nicely. That thing is getting huge. I think we added like another this much to the hull section. So like, I don't even think I could fit it all like on camera anymore. And we still have more to go. So definitely hook into that series if you haven't already. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. It's totally free and it just notifies you when new videos like the Gotham City skyline comes out. Let me see if I can entice you a little further. In addition to the Gotham City skyline, we have the Adventures in Transylvania from the Bricklink Designer Program. We also have the Goonies, and we have the Batcave Shadow Box, and the Icons Corvette. So lots to look forward to. So hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Again, it's totally free. Just lets you know when these videos come out. Also behind me, there's a little bit of a glare, but it is the Ninjago City Markets. That's going to be coming out pretty soon. Super excited about that one. I recently just got into Ninjago, so very excited there. We also have, which you probably can't see, just maybe a glimpse right down there. I have the Pokemon set, the Charizard, Venusaur, and Blastoise set, so we'll be taking a look at that. So again, hit that button, hit that notification bell. Subscribing is totally free. But until we see each other again, happy building, take care, be kind to each other, and I'll see you very soon.